welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a big Aerie haul. So all this stuff I got is from Aerie, which is like with American Eagle and stuff. And I'm so excited because like I needed some new stuff for the summer because I'm working at a day camp. And I just need some activewear and some sports bras and just a new wardrobe, if you know what I mean. And I'm so excited. I've been waiting for a while. And yeah. So the first one. Well, I have like 3. I don't know why I came in another one, but I made 2 orders. I'll link everything down below for you. And check out my TikTok. I post a lot, and I'm trying to grow on there. And I'm probably going to post some of this on there. Yay! So this is the one I got today. And I'll try on everything for you. Oh. Oof, I love this one. This is the seamless bra, which I wore for the shirt. Now, I have this one in like this color, an extra large, and my mom wanted me to try it in another size, and this was on sale, and this is my favorite color, so hopefully this feels better. But I love that. I usually wear a bra under it, because, yeah. And this is another bra. So cute. And this is an extra large. Look at the back. Love it. Now this looks like it's gonna really fit me. I love the color. Love. What's this? Ew. Uh-oh, I don't know if I like this color. No. It's extra large. I don't know if I like this. It's like a nude. I'll try it, see if I like it. Ooh, I love this one. So I got them all like 2 weeks ago, and I got this in another color, and I really liked it. It's a seamless not sports bra, just a seamless bra I wear to bed. This is a nice green color. And this is, what's this? Oh, this is thicker than it. Oh, this is cute. Nice workout top, tank top, extra large. It's kind of thick. It's like a t-shirt. Oh, extra large. Oh yeah, because I wanted it to be longer because it said cropped. But it's okay if I have to return some stuff or exchange it, because yeah, that's just life. Oof, my back hurts. Ooh, yeah, these are the leggings. Yeah. The crossover leggings that haven't been going viral everywhere were like $44, and these ones are kind of like it, but it was on sale. These have a little like fold. Super cute. Now these are an extra large short. I like those. Ooh. Do they have a pocket? No. I like that. And another pair of leggings. Navy. These are extra large. Oh wait, no, these are the biker shorts. Super cute. These are navy. The biker shorts are the best. So much. Big bag. Yeah. Yay. So comfortable. I tried them on at the mall. Extra large biker shorts. I have a top in this color, and I wanted matching bottoms. So cute. Oof, my back hurts. Fuck. But yeah. So I'll try everything on for you guys. Ooh, what's this one? Oh yeah, I got some tank tops from American Eagle. Cute. I like the pattern. And it has adjustable straps. Most of this stuff is an extra large. And then this one I tried on at the mall, but I didn't get it. Because I was hesitant. But then I'm like, I need it. It has this cute ass moon and the sun thing. Love it. These the leggings. yeah, these cute. Kind of dirty. What the fuck? But these are navy. Oh, I love the material. It has these little mesh on it. Nice. Feel nice. Huggy. Like, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. So much stuff. I'm in my elements. What are these? Another biker shorts, the best. Which ones are these? The pocket ones, extra large. Cute, and I think that's it. No, one more. What is this? Uh-oh. Throwing all this shit on my floor. Extra large. Oh, I like this. Yeah, it has the Offline logo, which is the collection of the athletic wear at Aerie. I love this. So I'm gonna go try on everything for you. First, I'm going to be doing tank tops from AmericanEagle. I'm trying to adjust the angle, but I really like the pattern. I don't really have a lot of cheetah print, and I might need someone to fix the straps more, but I just tried to do a little bit of myself. But this is a yes. I love it. It's kind of tight, but oh my god, my boobs are big. But yeah. Love it. Okay, this is the moon sun thing, and it's not really see-through, but kind of is, but I really like it. The back, just a regular. I hope you don't see my messy floor, but cute. Good for the summer gains. Cute. So this, it's kind of like a bra, but it's long enough to be a shirt, and it doesn't have padding, but it's still cute. And these are the shorts. These have pockets, and interesting. I don't really have any sets, but definitely high-waisted, cute, comfortable, but like, yikes. Good enough to like go on a hike, bike ride. This is extra large too, I think, but I like the color. These are the black biker shorts with the pockets, comfy. Wait, where's the pocket? Yeah, I already have these in black with no pockets. I have like 2 pairs of them. They're so good. I have to get more. But yeah, I love this color. And yeah. Oh, this is a cute fit. Tank top. I kind of like it so it's breathable. And you can wear a cute sports bra. So that's like. But yeah, these are the navy biker shorts. These are like the 8 inches one. They really suck you in. And yeah, cute. This might be a little too big, the tank top. But I think that's how it's supposed to be, but very comfy. I love the navy and the gray go together. It's like a grayish blue. I love it. Yay. Ew. Wow, I was right about this bra. It really squishes me in. Kind of tight, but cute back. So these are leggings. They feel kind of big, but they're definitely good length. I got the short, which leggings is very hard for me to find that are not too long. But yeah, this is the little crossy thing. Loose pockets? No. I don't know, maybe. Sometimes it's hard to find good underwear. Ow, my ankle hurts. Let me do the squat test. Oh! Sometimes they're too thin, but I don't know. These are the navy leggings. I love them. Oh god, you can't really see. Yeah. Cute. And yeah, I was right. It's very big. Might have to return that. But yeah, this doesn't really go together, but the leggings are nice. But my underwear definitely doesn't really, it's not really good enough for leggings, you know, for working out. But I love these. Yeah. No. Plus, it's kind of like a material that's not good to work out. I feel like it'd get me more hot. Okay, this size is much better than the one I had before. Ignore me, I don't have a, like, padding under it, but it's much looser. And I thought it was going to be, like, gappy here because it's extra large. But it is longer. I like it. I don't know if it goes with these pants, but cute. Love it. Now, I'll just put this on right now because it was short. But most of the stuff I have. It's really nice. I might have to exchange some sizes. Oh, that's backwards. But yeah, no. Too big. Maybe a large. But the color is different. I don't know, maybe a gray. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Keep in mind I'm very bloated today because I've been having gluten, and gluten makes me bloated, so yeah, it's totally normal. So yeah, and I got a little haircut. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. Ooh, the lighting. But thanks for watching. Aerie, please sponsor me. This video is not sponsored at all, but I wish. But see ya.